Hi everyone, it's Jill with Greenwood Girl Cards. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on tonight to share a design team project for Irala Miha's shop on Etsy. And I have created two cards, and one of them is a gingerbread themed card. And I created this little ginger angel, and I used just a piece of, it's like a wire trim that I got at the store that has these like little white puffy parts, as well as some silver twinkly glitter, or not glitter, but sparkly like stuff. Tinsel. Oh my gosh, you guys. Anyway, I made it into a little halo that sticks up so that I could have an angel gingerbread. And I specifically wanted to use this sweet sentiment: every time a bell rings, an angel gets her wings. And this is a sentiment from Paper Sweeties. And let me see if I can show you some of the products I used. I didn't bring everything downstairs, but I did bring this stamp set from Paper Sweeties. It's called Christmas Blessings. And there you can see the sentiment that I used, and just so sweet. And it also has Christmas Blessings, Peace on Earth, and then this is one of the Paper Sweeties dolls outfits. So you can dress her up as an angel. And I've used this on cards many times in the past. But I use this sentiment almost every Christmas. And I believe this is still in Debbie's store, papersweeties.com. So that is where that sentiment comes from. And I am doing some design team projects for Irala Miha's shop, which is Betty's shop over on Etsy. And I used this Camilla background, which has two card backgrounds that are divided in 6. Here, let me move this sticker for a second so you can see them. And then it also has this white quilted background and then a pink checked background, like a gingham background. And I really love this printable. It is a fun one to have on hand. And the other card uses this printable, which is called Yuletide Tags. And you can specifically see the tag that I used is right here. But it has so many sweet, sweet images, and you can view these on her website. And I wanted to explain, I've had some questions about her shop and how to utilize, you know, how I work with her printables. So if you want to get to her shop, you can, anytime you want to get to a specific shop on Etsy, you enter etsy.com/shop/ and then put the name of the shop that you're looking for after that. If you enter this information and then the name of the shop, it will take you directly to that shop. So that's the first thing, because a lot of people say they can't find her shop. As long as you know the name of the shop, you can always get to it if you just type in etsy.com/shop and then the shop name. So I wanted to print that out and show it on my videos so that you guys can pause this and go on to Etsy and get to her shop. She is running a 30% off sale, and I'm not sure if it's every item in her shop is on sale. I think it is, but this for sure, the Camilla backgrounds, which is what I use to create my cards, this is marked down to $3.49. It's normally $4. So, but I'm pretty sure her whole shop is on sale. I didn't look just now, so I don't want to say that on air for certain. But definitely the Camilla backgrounds is on sale, which is this one here. Okay, so I used those printables and I made these two cards. The KS Craft has these Prim Hearts. I used their Prim Hearts to create my heart on the card. You can see the background, the Camilla background that I used. I love how the word postcard is up in the corner, and then it has just polka dots and text and some little rose print. And I did use some sequins that I got at Tuesday morning. It's this particular one it's like a pink, or not a pink, but a blue iridescent and a purple iridescent sequin. And then within it, there are these little star sequins that I used on my card here. And I just glued them down with some diamond stickles. You know, I use diamond stickles on almost every card. And the gingerbread that I made is a Stampin' Up! Punch. And I didn't buy the stamp set that goes with the punch because I like to hand decorate all of my gingerbreads myself, just with some markers and a white gel pen and then a little face stamp or even a hand-drawn face. Either way works, but mainly just because I like the kind of the homespun or handmade look on my cards. So that's what I did here. This is just white gel pen, and then after the white gel pen dried, I added some diamond stickles onto the white. I used the gel pen to make little hearts, and I colored them in with a Copic marker. And then this little particular face is from Peachy Keen Stamps, and it actually came in a gingerbread paper doll die set from Cottage Cuts, okay? But you can get these face stamps on the Peachy Keen website. So if you go and look for them, and you can also call their store and talk with the owners to try and get to what it is that you would like. So anyway, I thought this card turned out really cute. On the inside, I stamped I Believe in Angels. This is a wood stamp that I've had in my stash for a very long time. I was going to show it to you. What did I do with it? Here it is. So let's see. This is an Inkadinkado stamp. Okay. And I've had this forever. I'm not even sure where I purchased it, but it is by Inkadinkado, if that helps. And that is what I used on the inside of the card, as well as these memory box cross-stitched framelits. Okay, so that's what I used to make the card, and I just love this new printable. This is a new printable. As part of the design team, I got to pick a file, and this was the file that I picked. So I'll be using this a lot. It's just so sweet. I can't wait to play with it more. And the other file I picked was this one here with these beautiful Christmas tags. So I hope to be making more projects with this one also. So here's the card that I made using the tag printable called Yuletide Tags. And I just used it as the focal point on my card. This little poinsettia is from Tim Holtz' new Christmas release, and it's a set of greens and stuff. So I used the poinsettia, and then these greens are just some things I had pre-cut in my stash. I always have a lot of greenery items cut, and I store them in a little plastic box so that when I'm making cards, I have things to decorate with at Christmas. I just added some twine, 2 little heart blings to this card, and I did emboss the background with a Prim Heart embossing folder. I didn't bring down this die that has the scallops with the holes, and I really can't remember. I don't know if it's Lawn Fawn or I don't remember off the top of my head, but if you really need to know, leave me a comment and I'll let you know. This scalloped background here is from Honeybee Stamps, and I am going to be showing this die in my video on Saturday morning. And that brings me to another thing I would like to share with you guys. We are going to be part of a gingerbread hop. I'm going to be part of a gingerbread hop on Saturday, November 23rd at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. It's called the All Things Gingerbread Hop. You remember a while back on my channel I mentioned that I was thinking about doing a gingerbread hop, and there was a lot of different people that said that they would be interested. People were messaging me in Instagram. Tina agreed to host it. Thank you, Tina, for doing the hosting duties. I am not technically savvy, you guys, so I was a little leery. So Tina is hosting for us and organizing everybody. So thank you, Tina. The participants will be Tina, who's Tell 'em Thank You, me, Betty, who's Scrap Passion 01, Christina Crafty Paws, Felicia, who's Bible Scraps, hi Felicia, and Ginger Pana. So hi Ginger, hi Christina and Betty and Tina. I hope you guys will come out on Saturday the 23rd, which is this coming Saturday, and join the hop. Follow along. I will have a prize. Betty with Arala Mija Shop agreed to offer one file of your choice as the prize for this hop on Saturday. So come back on Saturday, join the hop, follow along, and do what you need to do to be eligible for the prizes. And I'll go into that in more detail on the actual gingerbread hop video that will be posted at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time this coming Saturday. So I am so excited to be participating with all of these wonderfully talented women, and I hope that you guys will join in the fun, okay? And I want to thank Betty for allowing me to be a guest designer during the month of November. And I just want to kick off the gingerbread hop by sharing this one little gingerbread angel. And these little gingerbread, or the little silk wings that I used for the gingerbread's wings look like this. And I got these off of eBay. And Frosted Pink used to sell them, but she's no longer in business. So I think if you Google these, they should come up. So, but that's what I used to create her little wings. But I just wanted to share a gingerbread project in honor of our gingerbread hop. So I really hope that you guys will come and join in the fun this coming Saturday at 9. Okay? And I hope you'll go and visit Betty's shop, Arala Mija Shop, on Etsy, to see all of her wonderful, wonderful digital files, okay? And I will be back with you with my gingerbread video this coming Saturday. Everybody have a great rest of your week and take good care. I send my love out to all of you that I'm praying for. You know who you are. And I just hope everybody can choose joy and count your blessings. Bye now.